ओके, गोवा कैजू फेस्टिवल सीज़न 3 जल्दी ही आ रहा है। एंड जैसे हमने बात की कि कैजू की जो यूज़ है वो बहुत सारे हैं, मतलब एक कैजू से हम बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं। एंड कैजू इज़ गोवाज शान, गोवाज पहचान, जैसे मेघवाज सर ने अभी कहा था। लेकिन इस साल कैजू फेस्टिवल में बहुत सारी चीज़ें होने वाली है। इफ़ यू आर इन गोवा, प्लीज़ डू विजिट कैजू फेस्टिवल, बिकॉज इट इज़ एक ऐसा फेस्टिवल जहाँ पे आपको गोवा के बारे में बहुत सारी चीज़ें पता चलेगी। एंड येस, ऑफ कोर्स एंटरटेनमेंट तो वहाँ पे होगा ही, लेकिन इसके बारे में और बात करने के लिए हमारे साथ आज एक ऐसी व्यक्ति है, शी इज़ आर्ट राइटर, और हमारे साथ अभी मौजूद है समीरा सेठी मैम। मैम, वेलकम टू द शो सबसे पहले। सो आई जस्ट वांट टू आस्क कि व्हाट इज़ artisan, and in terms of Kaju festival, if you are taking, what will be the highlight over there?
So I am delighted to partner with the Goa Cashew Fest with Madam Rosa Distillery, and we're presenting the Limransa Art Market.
Okay.
And Goa Cashew Fest, of course, is an initiative of GFDC, so we are really pleased to partner with them. We are celebrating Madam Rosa, 50 years of Madam Rosa at Cashew Fest Season 3. And this art market is going to be it's going to be a buzz with activity and art, and we've tried to make it as, like you said, we are celebrating local color, local flavor, local character, and of course Cashew Fest is celebrating the bounty of the land, the spirit of its people. So for that we tried to make the art market as diverse, as inclusive, as and we've treated it, we've assembled or collected the artists through keeping with a creative and compassionate eye.
So we only know about we have Feni, we have Hurrak from the Cashew which we extract. आर्ट मार्केट इज न्यू थिंग, और जैसे मैं बहुत सारे टूरिस्ट गोवा में आते हैं, दे वांट समथिंग न्यू इन गोवा. सो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज आर्ट मार्केट एंड हाउ इट विल बी फॉर द कैशू फेस्टिवल दिस ईयर?
So I have curated this as, our tagline is looking back, looking ahead with Limransa. And Limransa means memory in Portuguese. So it was founded by, this brand was conceptualized by Valentino Vaz, and its label was designed by Mario Miranda, the iconic cartoonist of Goa. So when we're looking back, we're remembering Mario Miranda, we're paying homage to the famous, Goa's beloved cartoonist. So we have a selection of prints on display, which have been gifted by his dear friend Aristides. And we're looking ahead at the same time, and we've featured a whole bunch of artists, because we have artists like Frederica Menezes or Sarah Souza Camamaya, and who embody a spirit of resilience. Then we have Divya Muralidharan. We have a senior artist, M. Narayan, who's going to launch the Limransa Art Market with a very interesting painting, because he is depicting the Indian sport of tent pegging. The sport from the subcontinent. And also we are celebrating Feni, which is, from the subcontinent as well, very local. So we are sort of, it combines all these elements, and I think viewers will really delight in this array of offerings that we've brought to them.
Definitely this will be a treat for people coming over here, because what we think as a Goan is we have the only brand called Hurra, or the Feni, which is also Goa's pehchan nowadays. So we want actually to market it to the international level. I think this is the exact platform where we can market it, the Cashew Festival, in this kind of what you said about the art kind of thing which we are looking for. So how do you think the Cashew Festival will help to make cashew of Goa to do good in international market? What do you think?
I think it's a celebration. It's a celebration of something that is so special to Goa, and I think we've added so much, all the stakeholders are going to add so much value to this event, to this showcase, and it's showcasing it in such creative ways and such fun ways. And our art display, for instance, is going to be, I hope, very eclectic and electric, And I think by creating all this buzz around it, it's going to propel it to an international, an appeal to an international or to wider audiences, let's say.
डेफिनेटली मैम एंड आई रिक्वेस्ट अगेन मैं जो हमारे जो दर्शक है वो देख रहे हैं उनको सबको मैं कहना चाहता हूँ कि 25, 26, 27 अप्रैल को कैजू फेस्टिवल गोवा में होने वाला है गोवा फॉरेस्ट डेवलपमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन की तरफ से एंड डू विजिट फॉर दिस फेस्टिवल एंड स्पेशली लिब्रन का जो ब्रांड है उसके जो आर्ट इफेक्ट्स जो है सभी देखने को मत भूलिएगा एंड डेफिनेटली वी विल मीट मैम ओवर देयर एंड थैंक यू संगीता मैम.
Yes, catch you at Cashew
Yes,
Fest.
ma'am. Thank you.
Thank
Catch
you.
you all at Cashew Festival 2025. Thank you very much. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You are watching Black Radio.